Mastering English Idioms. Understanding, zone out. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might hear in everyday conversations. Zone out. This video is designed to help you understand what it means, how to use it, and some common scenarios where you might encounter it. So, let's get started and master this intriguing expression. Zone out is an informal phrase used to describe a state of mind where someone is not paying attention to what is happening around them. It's like their mind has temporarily taken a break. When you zone out, you might be lost in your thoughts, daydreaming, or simply distracted. It's important to understand that this phrase is often used in casual contexts. Understanding the origins of idiomatic expressions can be quite fascinating. The term, zone out, seems to have emerged during the 1960s and 1970s. It was often associated with the idea of mentally leaving the zone of reality or conscious awareness, possibly influenced by the counterculture of that era. This historical context isn't essential for using the phrase today, but it adds an interesting layer to its meaning. Now, let's see how zone out is used in daily language. 1. In class or meetings, I totally zoned out during the meeting. Can you fill me in on what was discussed? 2. While reading or watching TV, the book was so boring. I started to zone out after the first few pages. 3. In social scenarios, sorry, I zoned out for a moment there. What were you saying? Understanding these examples helps you recognize and use zone out appropriately. To expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms and related phrases. Daydream, more imaginative and fanciful than zoning out. Drift off, similar to zoning out, but often used when someone is falling asleep or losing concentration. Space out, very similar to zoning out, often used interchangeably. Since zoning out can happen in important situations, here are some tips to stay focused. Stay engaged. Ask questions or participate actively. Take notes. This keeps your mind and hands busy. Regular breaks. Short breaks can prevent mental fatigue. We hope this video helps you understand and use zone out confidently in your conversations. Remember, idioms like this are a great way to make your English sound more natural and fluent. If you have any questions or experiences with this phrase, feel free to share them in the comments below. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.